Socialization is an absolute essential skill for a child to be ready to learn speech and language and use it. If your child is not socializing, is not engaging with you, noticing you, making eye contact, reacting, then your child is most likely not ready to use and learn language. So really important. In this video, I'm going to teach you a new social song for your child to use for socialization, speech, and language. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see an alligator, close your eyes and scream, ah! Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you how I do this song. I put the child on my lap, usually facing me. I take their hands and I help them row. Row, row, row your boat. And I do it really slow and really exaggerated, okay? And I get their whole body into it and my body, and I bounce my knees, bouncing them, okay? And so the reason I put them on my lap is so that they are real close to my face and they're watching me and engaging with me, hopefully. So these are particularly for children who are not very engaged and not interested in people's faces and eyes. This will help them. That part, if you see an alligator, close your eyes and scream, okay, that gives them a new action to learn, a new gesture, okay? So you help them put their hands on their eyes and then you do a big scream, ah! And you shake their little body probably on your legs, ah! So that's a sound that they could learn to copy. And then just like in the other videos where I talk about social songs, you wait. And you really show them that you're anticipating them to show you. Do you want to do it again? And if they take your hands, if they move, if they give you a look, if they smile, if they vocalize, then that tells you that, yeah, they're communicating to me that they want to do it again, okay? If they are signing, if you are using words, then try more or try again, a sign like that again. But if they're not, then accept a look. If they're not typically looking you in the eye, then that's a great way to encourage and reward that. So do it again. After you've done that a bunch of times, you may let them do the rowing on their own, right? So that's them learning to do a gesture on their own, and then they really row it, okay? And then when you get to the, if you see an alligator, pause and see if they remember, if they've learned that part of the song. Close your eyes, and if they do it, maybe you have to give them a little tap on the arm to remind them. Okay, they're also learning language within this song. Eyes, close your eyes, right? We're covering it, but close your eyes. Where are your eyes? It's a perfect way to teach a new vocabulary word, a body part for them. And then close your eyes and pause and wait, scream, and see if they do it. If they do it on their own, then they've learned that part of the song and they're participating, taking a turn, and initiating. It's so, I love these songs and how you can do so many skills and so much teaching within one song. So I hope you love it too. Like and subscribe so that you never miss a video. Leave a comment, ask me a question, and I'll try and make a video about your topic. Thanks so much. I'm Kayla from Walkie Talkie. Bye.